Hi, let's talk today about TensorflowJS, Prepack and WebVR. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Nolan presented the front-end tooling survey 2018 results. This year, over 5,000 front-end developers took part in this survey. Here are the results on what tools and techniques developers are using right now. Lots to digest here. Number 2 on my list today is Guess.js. It is a collection of libraries and tools for enabling data-driven user experience on the web. It supports Gatsby, Angular, and React, also uses webpack and Google Analytics. Guess.js tries to reduce bundle size and provides smart prefetch. With Tensorflow.js, the world of machine learning becomes more accessible, welcoming, and fun to new coders and makers. This article is about PoseNet. PoseNet on TensorflowJS is a machine learning model which allows for real-time human pose estimation in the browser. In this article, you can read what it can propose for your project. Charles Lee posted an article titled "The Best Way to Bind Event Handlers in React." Here, the author explores common ways of creating event bindings in React, their pros and cons, plus the author's favorite approach. Dan Abramov in his turn posted the first part of a gentle introduction to Prepack. Prepack is the tool that recompiles your JavaScript code to faster JavaScript code. You can take a look through the examples in this article. At first sight, Prepack looks really promising, but no production yet, however. You can read the details on GitHub. In case you missed, Manuel Matuzovich made a report writing CSS with accessibility in mind. During CSS Conf, CSS has a lot to offer regarding web accessibility. Have a look. One more interesting report is V8 Internals for JavaScript Developers by Matthias Byanis. Here you can find how learning a bit about JS Engine internals can help you improve the performance of your JS code. Designing very large JavaScript application is about the homepage load performance of a single-page apps and how to keep the load time fixed. A logical follow-up to the load performance topic is the article First Input Delay, a new web interactivity metric by Philip Walton. First input delay is a new performance metric for measuring page responsiveness for real users in the wild. In this post, you can learn how to improve the user experience of your website. Valery Karpov has posted a short tutorial how to send web push notifications from Node.js. This is a complete walkthrough of the process of sending push notifications from an Express app to a front-end JavaScript app. One more curious source of information is a strategy guide to CSS custom properties. Michael Reitmuller takes a thorough look at strategies for getting the most out of CSS custom properties, which are now supported in all mainstream browsers. You can read this article on Smashing Magazine. Speaking of CSS, don't miss the article, namely the relative units of CSS. CSS pixels are not the only ones. Here you can read about alternatives, their pros and cons. Due to historical reasons, tables in CSS probably are the most underestimated feature. In this article, Responsive Tables Revisited, Lee Viru provides a brief exploration of using CSS to convert table rows to a more list-like layout for thinner viewport without duplicating content. The next point is not about JavaScript but about Rust. More specifically, about compiling Rust into WebAssembly and bundling it together with JavaScript using Webpack. These packages can be published to the npm registry and used alongside other packages. The last but not least point for today is an article "Welcome to the Immersive Web." This is a look at how the browser is becoming a platform for virtual world experiences thanks to WebXR and WebVR. Here you can find the code snippets and a link to GitHub project so you can try that on your own. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.